Hello there, it's Haley. You know how I always say that the last earthquake is either in California or Alaska? Well, today it's not, see, so I do lie. All the time, in fact. Nevada. I don't know, 1.4 magnitude. It's the same over here. And the strongest earthquake today, 6.3 magnitude. Let's see what the feel it factor was. Feel it, feels like. No, did you feel it? Whatever they call it. So not a huge thing. Looks like the highest MMI was in Palmdale, California with a 3. That's is the legend there is. There's a 3, so pretty much weak. So it was pretty big in magnitude, but not great in how it was felt. 5.0, that's even pretty shallow. Anywho, now it's time for weather. First, we're looking at the low temperature map. Maybe we should do it in this order, though, because this happens beforehand. Today's highs are going to be really in code up there, and tomorrow's lows, and I think that means this evening going into tomorrow, that I think is what that means. Also really code, and then hey, there's a new color, so I had to look it up. That's a blizzard, a flippin' blizzard warning. Otherwise, I think that's a frost advisory. Is the purple? Oh, of course it won't load when I need it to. Winter weather advisory. I was wrong about that then. And the pink is winter storm warning. So I'm gonna have to look those things up again. What the flip was what? But blizzard warning actually had a definition. So a blizzard means that the following conditions are expected to prevail for a period of 3 hours or longer. Sustained wind, a frequent gust of 35 miles an hour or greater, and considerable falling and or blowing snow, i.e. reducing visibility frequently to less than a quarter mile. So that's a blizzard for you. It's like a windy, snowy thing. It's fun, isn't it? No, it's not. And here are the Hydrometeorological Prediction Center images. I'm just going to call it HPC from now on because that's really a lot of syllables. So this is day 1, and this is the chance of 4 inches or more, 8 inches or more of snow, I should say, 12 inches or more. So there is a high chance in this tiny area, and then a high chance over there of 4 inches or more, 8 inches or more, and then it drops to a moderate of 12 inches or more, but that's still pretty high, isn't it? Day 2, same thing, 4, 8, 12, and apparently no ice for anybody. So not a whole lot of snow, just a slight risk up there that there'll be 12 inches or larger. And here's day 3, where also larger areas, but no high risks at all. I don't know. It's really confusing to look at those things. Too many maps on one page or something. Drought monitor looks just like yesterday. So hey, if it were like really droughted up there, all this snow that's coming might help with that. But no, it's not. And here's the quantitative precipitation forecast. That's a lot of syllables too. For the next 5 days, 2.3 inches in Missouri is the largest area. And then here's who's still be flooded. We're down to 9 locations. I forget. I think when I first started looking at this, it was like 50. And it was all along the Missouri. Interesting. It says 3. Oh, that's because there's a new one. I was expecting it to be over there. So that one that was in major flooding is no longer in major flooding. And we have now one that's either in South Dakota and Nebraska. A new major flooding indicator gauge thingamajiggy. I don't know. And Wicked Wicks, where it's apparently not going to have severe thunderstorms, but there are chances of thunderstorm areas, non-severe. This is today, tomorrow, pretty much the same thing. No chance of severe thunderstorm, but a general thunderstorm area. Hooray. And then hurricanes, also nothing going on, nothing. And then I pimp Wicked Wicks. WICKEDWX.com. Right, if you're getting prepared for the blizzard, good luck. It's gonna get in code, man. That's right, I don't know. Take it easy, though.